Centralized water crisis management by integrating information from 12 agencies. With strong awareness of the current water situation, a complete integration of water management from upstream to downstream areas could be successfully achieved throughout this period. Upstream area, focusing on water absorption to protect the area from severe floods by reforesting, building weirs at upstream areas, and restoring ecosystems with 800 million sprouts 80th birthday anniversary of Her Majesty the Queen project. Midstream area, preparing the retention area by dredging up more than 1.52 square kilometers of swamps, preparing large water retention areas, Monkey Cheek, of 3,360 square kilometers, and dredging up canals throughout the country with a total length of 7,400 kilometers. Downstream area, focusing on a rapid water drainage by dredging up depositions at the mouth of the Chao Phraya and Ta Tin rivers, installing water flow accelerators, preparing emergency floodways, and flood diversion ways both at east and west sides of Chao Phraya River in order to increase drainage capacity into the sea. This is the central management system with forward command centers in every flooded province, directly linked with Central Operations Center to monitor and analyze flood situation from all areas throughout Thailand and report field data to the National Hydroinformatics and Climate Data Center. National Hydroinformatics and Climate Data Center, or NHC, unites all information and coordinates the actions of 12 relevant agencies during crisis operation. Integrating with the ground sensors to verify information such as wind, weather, and rainfall. Land Mobile Unit, so-called Mobile Integrated Geospatial Intelligence System. Water Mobile Unit, so-called Autonomous Robot Boat for survey. Aerial Mobile Unit, so-called Unmanned Aerial Vehicle to survey country's topography with 24-hour surveillance by closed-circuit television, CCTV, from ground stations. Use of satellite to monitor and assess the disaster from flood. Therefore, all data throughout the country will be collected to the central unit to promptly analyze the situation. With ability to forecast weather in short and long terms. Supporting water management both in irrigated and rain-fed areas. Assess runoff, water flows, floods, and inundations to manage dam, dikes, and water gates. Develop information and communication systems to support drought and flood forecasting models. This could forecast the situation more than 5 days in advance. Government used previous experiences to improve and prepare for future disasters by learning about climate change, global warming, and every factor which is adapting the King's initiatives on water management. With experts, trained personnel, and advanced technology, the data center is ready to support the disaster management operation. This operation system will play an important role for the government in managing sustainable water resources with full potential, both in normal and crisis situations, to build the trust of the Thai people. National Hydroinformatics and Climate Data Center is completely ready in combining water management by linking all data from 12 relevant government agencies and ready to ease any crisis immediately. The situation monitoring equipment is on 24-hour standby. Highly efficient equipment with advanced technology that is used to inspect water situation 24 hours a day, cover all areas throughout Thailand in any weather condition, and link all data in every system to the Data System Center, National Hydroinformatics and Climate Data Center, to report directly to the government about the situation in each area so that the government could prepare a protection plan for people immediately. Autonomous robot boat for environmental data acquisition and survey to survey a cross-section of a river, inspect hydraulic index and hydrography index, including the index of water quality. Using the autonomous robot boat increases operational ability by bringing in up-to-date data when compared to the former collection of data. Unmanned Aerial Vehicle (UAV). UAV is a technology used to follow changes before and after a crisis and planning to make the highest efficiency of water resource management, including surveying to install and improve efficiency of telemetering system at ground level, installing equipment for bird's eye view, for example, digital cameras which can capture still images and moving images, and installing GPS to record the image's position. Street-level dike inspection system by satellite signal. The worst flooding in 2011 shows the limitation of disaster prevention assessment data. In order to accurately collect data, National Hydroinformatics and Climate Data Center has developed a survey of the dike's level using GPS IMU, Inertial Measurement Unit, equipment, which can use collected data to process DSM and DTM. MIGIS, Mobile Integrated Geospatial Intelligence System. After the severe flooding of 2011, Thai government and relevant agencies made an effort to solve the problem through monitoring, assessing, forecasting, and managing massive floods. Map data. Satellite images data and geographic information have important roles to play in making decisions promptly and more accurately. Automated telemetering system monitoring weather and water level. This system could check data from remote distance. This equipment could check water level, rainfall, temperature, humidity, pressure, light intensity, wind speed, and automatically link all data through GPRS system of cell phone company and could represent geographic information on internet network. Closed circuit television, CCTV. Currently, CCTV is widely used and able to examine work during the operation and is able to check backward to a specific time. This technology is applied to switch on, switch off, and control water gates, pumping stations, and main dikes, which benefit flow and drainage management both in normal and emergency situations, including checking status in case remote water gates do not work properly. AutoGate. After Thailand's flooding in 2011, one of the most important problems was the inefficient drainage system from water gates. Water could not be drained immediately because staff were needed to open or close the water gate. Once there was an emergency situation, the communication didn't work well, and staff couldn't be contacted to do their work promptly. Beyond helping in flooding problems that might occur repeatedly, the automated water gate control also efficiently manages water with maximum benefits. Follow water situation by the Automated Water Situation Monitoring Equipment, or Media Box. To be prepared for potential disaster, data should be accessible to people in order to understand the weather situation. People will get benefits from surveillance and follow the updated situation. With all advanced technology and the linkage of all data to the Water Management Data System Center, is now ready to operate and monitor water situation in Thailand. From now on, Thai people can be assured about the water situation. This is Thailand's sustainable water management.